I won't stop it.
You're hurting my
Kids,
ears.
I've got a present for you.
Yeah. Huh.
Now it's time to bring it around town. Bring it around town. Then you do this, then this, and this, then that, and this, and that, and this, and that, and then...
What's that?
It's a tiger! Run!
Run!
A triangle? A square? A star? Rectangle? Oval! Diamond? Hexagon? Parallelogram?
It's the Hey Doggy Shapes Ball.
Yum! Yum!
Right, green, spell job. Won't you come and play with me? Oh yeah! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Ah!